In this tutorial, you will learn how to create this line graph in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, let's look at this data. You can see here I have entered two type of data because separate technique is used to form line graph using these data. For example, firstly data shows the years which and the x-axis value shows the whole number. For example, 2015 is a whole number, while in second data you can see x-axis values are in the form of text. For example, this one is January, which is text, February, March. So separate method is used to form this line graph from both type of data. So we will learn both these techniques one by one. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, if you want to form the data from, you want to line graph from this data, it is quite easy because it shows the x-axis value in the form of text. So just select this one, go to insert tab here, click on it, and in chart you will find the option of line graph, click on it. And if you want to markers on this line graph, you can select this one, and if you want a line graph without marker, you can select this one. So I have selected the simple line graph without marker. I will click on this one and a line graph is formed. It is a very simple method. And if you have x-axis value in the form of whole number, then we will use a separate trick. So let's start that one, and if you are interested in conditional formatting of this graph, I will explain it later after explaining this second method. So for time being, I will remove this one and select this data. Sorry, you don't need to select this data. For second method, just go to insert tab, and here you will find the option of line graph and select either with marker or without marker. Click on it. You can see here we don't have selected this data, so it's generated a blank graph. So now right click on this and you will find the option of select data. Click on it, and in legend entries click on this add button. In series name you can write series name, or you can just select the cell which contain the series name, just click on it. Now in series value, click on the here and remove already entered data and select the data which shows the y-axis value. For example, these are the data which shows the y-axis value. I will select this one by dragging it. Now you can see here I have selected all these cells and I will click on OK. Now you can see here the graph is generated, but on x-axis value it shows the values 1 to 3, while in data it shows the 2015, 16 and 17. For that purpose, click on this. In horizontal category axis label, click on this edit button, click on it. The dialog box appeared which shows the axis label range. You have to select all x-axis values without header. You can see here I have selected all the years. Now click on OK and again OK. Now you can observe that the x-axis value shows year and here the turnover of University Cafe. Now if you are interested to conditional formatting of this graph, I will firstly drag it here, and here you will find the, if you click on here, you will find the option of this plus sign. Click on it. Now I want to insert axis titles. I will check this one, and I don't want grid lines, so I will uncheck this. So grid lines will be removed from here. Firstly, if I want to change the title of this one, click on here. When you have selected this one, you can double click on it to edit this one. And if you just want to replace with a cell value, click on it, put equal sign here, select the cell which contains this value and press enter. Now you can see its value is changed. Go to home and you can change its font size and color, whatever you want. Now come to this y-axis. Firstly, I will change the axis title. I will select this one, put equal sign and select cell which contain this one, press enter. Select this one. If you want to manually change it, double click on it after selecting this one Now I will write here year. You can change its format. For example, I will change its color to black with 12 font size and bold. I will copy this format for this one. For that purpose, I will select Format Painter and click on here. It will be formatted like this one. And again, select these values and I will change their font size to 12 and black color. Similarly, use Format Painter to automatically format this one. Now click here, the y-axis value, right click and go to Format Axis. Here I will change the minimum value to 20,000 so data look pretty nice. You can also change major unit or minor unit from here. And if you scroll down, you can find the option of tick mark. Here you can see here that major tick marks outside and again outside. Now here you can change major unit to 10,000 instead of 5,000. Now go to fill and line option and you can see here I want solid line. I have selected this one and I will change its color to black. You can change the width from here. Similarly, you can select this one and you can change its color to black and width 1.5. Now you can see we have completed this formatting, and if you want to format this line, click on it, right click, go to Format Data Series, and if you go to fill and line option, you can change its color. For example, I will change it to this one. You can change width and even you can place marker on it. If you go to marker option, I will select automatic or you can select from here. So when I remove it, you can see here the marker is placed here. If you click on here, right click, go to Format Data Series, and in fill and line option you can change the marker color or their line around the markers. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.